Shaheen Shah Afridi, a name synonymous with fiery pace and burgeoning leadership in the world of cricket, has rapidly ascended to become one of Pakistan's most prized cricketing assets. Shaheen, born on April 6, 2000, in Landi Kotel, Khyber Agency, Pakistan. Shaheen's journey into professional cricket has been marked by early recognition of his talent and a swift progression through the ranks. Shaheen Shah Afridi, a left-arm fast bowler with the ability to generate significant pace and movement. He has become a potent force in all formats of the cricket, captivating audiences with his skill and passion. PSL 2025 was a testament to Shaheen's all-round abilities and his influence on his team. His captaincy was praised for its maturity and tactical astuteness, and his bowling remained a constant threat to opposition batsmen. His passion for the game and his commitment to leading the Lahore Qalandars were evident throughout the season. The success of Lahore Qalandars under Shaheen's captaincy also highlights the league's ability to nurture leadership qualities in young players. Shaheen, still relatively young in his cricketing journey, has demonstrated exceptional leadership skills, guiding his team to unprecedented success in the PSL. As PSL continues to evolve, the contributions of players like Shaheen Afridi will remain central to its narrative. His performances, his leadership, and his connection with the fans have made him an icon of the league. PSL 2025 further added to his already impressive legacy, solidifying his place among the greats of the tournament. The future of both Shaheen Afridi and the Pakistan Super League looks bright. Shaheen is poised to continue leading Pakistan's fast bowling attack on the international stage, and the PSL is set to continue its trajectory as one of the premier T20 leagues globally, providing a platform for talent and thrilling cricket entertainment. In conclusion, Shaheen Shah Afridi's journey, marked by his exceptional bowling prowess and his inspiring leadership, reached another pinnacle with Lahore Qalandars' triumph in PSL 2025. His contributions to the league and to Pakistan cricket as a whole are immense, and his legacy continues to grow with each passing season. PSL 2025 will be remembered not only for the thrilling cricket action, but also for Shaheen Afridi's dominant presence as both a player and a captain, leading his team to a historic third title. In the grand tapestry of cricket, Shaheen Shah Afridi continues to weave a compelling narrative of talent, dedication, and leadership. His journey, marked by fiery spells and a captain's resolve, promises even greater achievements on the horizon. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the world of this remarkable cricketer, please share it with fellow cricket enthusiasts. Don't forget to like if you found it insightful and subscribe for more stories from the exciting world of sports.